A very good morning to all the students. This video for the class 6 subject science chapter number 7, that is getting to know plants. This is your lecture number 2nd. So the topics to be covered are, so the first topic that we are going to cover in this video lecture is what is herbs. Second is shrubs. Third one is what do you understand by the term name trees. Fourth is what is stem, and we are going to study about the parts of the stem. Sixth one is function of stem. Seventh topic is leaves and their parts. At last, venation in leaves. So let's start with the first topic, that is herbs. According to the size and the nature of their stems, plants can be classified as herbs, shrubs and trees. First is herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have soft and the green stem and do not grow more than 1 meter in height. They have few branches. The example of herbs are mustard, mint, wheat, coriander and balsam. These are the example of herbs. As you can see in this picture, this is a herb is mint. Moving on, our second topic is shrubs. What are shrubs? So shrubs are medium in size plants around 1 to 3 meter in height. The height will be around 3 meters, 1 to 3 meters. Okay. They have hard and woody stem. These stems are not very much thick. Okay. So their branches can be seen growing out from the base of the stem. Example of shrubs are lemon, bougainvillea and pomegranate. These are the example of shrub. This is the picture of a lemon plant. So lemon is an example of shrub. Moving on, a third topic of this video lecture is trees. So big and tall plants are trees. They are generally more than 3 meters tall. Their height will be the 3 meters. And the main stem called as trunk, that is thick, hard and woody. Their branches arises from the height. And their examples are people, neem, mango, coconut and baboon. These are the example of trees. Okay. This is the picture of a tree, that is neem tree. Okay. Moving on, our fourth topic of this video is stem. What do you understand by the term name stem? So the stem is long, central and the main axis of the plant of body. All the parts of shoot system like the leaves, flowers, birds and fruits arises from the stem. Okay. The stem remains soft and green in its early stages of development. The early stage of development, the stems remains in soft and green in color. In shrubs, it becomes woody later on, or in a tree, the stem becomes very thick, hard and woody. The stem remains soft and green in herbs. Okay. Next is the parts of the stem. Now we are going to discuss about the parts of the stem. So the stem consists of the following parts. The first part is nodes. Nodes are the points on the stem from which leaves are growing. Nodes are the part where the leaves are growing. Second is internode. Internode is the portion of the stem between the two consecutive nodes. Then axil, it is the angle between the stem and the branch or the stack of the leaf is axil. Next is buds. Buds are the swollen structures on the axil or on apex. Swollen structure on apex or on axil is the buds. Next, the bud located in the axil of the stem is axillary bud. The bud located on the axil is axillary bud. And the bud located at the tip of the stem is apical bud. As you can see in this picture, there are the several parts of the stem. So the first is node. This is the node. Node are the points on the stem from which leaves are growing. From here leaves are growing. Second is internode. Internode is this part where the portion of the stem between the two consecutive nodes. As you can see, there are the two consecutive nodes. This is the point between the two consecutive nodes is internodes. Third one is axil. This is the axil. It is the angle between the stem and the branch of the stalk of a leaf. Okay. Next is bud. These swollen part on the axil or apex, okay, is buds. Okay. Next is the bud that is located on the axil, that is axillary bud, or we can say the lateral bud. Then we have the apical bud. Apical bud means the bud located at the apex or the tip of the stem is apical bud. Okay, these are the flower and pedicles. This stalk is pedicle. Okay. Next, moving on a next topic, that is function of stem. What is the function of the stem? So the stem helps the plant to stand upright. It helps to stand it in a upright position. Stem bears branches, leaves, flowers. We had already seen in the parts of the stem. Stem bears branches, leaves and flowers. Stem transports water, mineral and food. Stem is called as a two-way street because it transports minerals and water. Okay, it transports mineral and water from the roots to the upper part of the plant. As you can see in this picture, this is the stem. This stem is called as two-way street because it transports minerals and water from the roots to the upper part of the plant, okay, and carries the food prepared by the leaves to the other part of the plant through the another tissue. Okay. Next is moving on our next topic, that is leaves. Leaf is a flattened green in color structure which arises from the node or internode of a stem, okay, or its branches. Leaves are found in different shape and size and in thickness. Leaves are found in different shape, size and thickness. Okay. The green color is due to the presence of a substance that is chlorophyll. That green substance is chlorophyll. In some plants, the lamina, the flat broad part of the leaf may have the other color like the purple or a white mix with the green. Okay, these leaves have the multiple color. So, as you can see in this picture, this is a picture of leaves. So, leaf is a flattened green in color, okay, which arises from the node of a stem or its branch. Leaves are found in different shape, different size and different in thickness. And this green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay. Next, moving on the part of the leaf. So the basic part of the leaves are the same despite the huge variety in shape and size. First is petiole. So the leaf is attached to the branch with the stalk is petiole. Second is lamina. Lamina is the main body of leaf. It is broad and green in color. Okay. Then leaf margin. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex, while the outline is called as leaf margin. Okay. Next part of the leaf is midrib. Midrib is the thick vein which runs from the base of the leaf to its tip. A number of thin narrow veins arises from the base of a leaf as well as midrib. There are number of narrow veins arises from the base of the leaf. Okay, that is midrib. Midrib and veins help in transporting the water and minerals to every part of the leaf. Okay, and transporting food from the leaf to other parts of the plant also. This is the picture of the part of the leaves. So first one is petiole. So the petiole is the leaf that is attached to the branch with the stalk. This is the stalk, it's attached with the stalk. So it's a petiole, that is leaf stalk. Okay. Next is lamina. Lamina is the main body of a leaf. It is broad and green in color. This is lamina. Then leaf margin. So the leaf margin is, this is the tip of the leaf, that is leaf apex. Okay. The outline is leaf margin. This is the tip of the leaf, that is leaf apex, and the margin, these are the outline margin. So these are the leaf margin. The outline is the leaf margin. Okay. Next is midrib. This line is midrib. The main vein is midrib. Okay. It's a thick and it's run from the base of the leaf. It's run from the base of the leaf. Okay, and it goes to its tip. And the number of thin narrow veins arises from the base. As you can see, there are the number of veins arises from the base. Okay, so this midrib and vein helps in transporting the water and minerals to every part of the leaf. Okay, this is the part of the leaf. Next, moving on the venation in the leaves. So the pattern formed by the veins in a leaf is leaf venation. The pattern that is formed by the vein is leaf venation. Okay. So there are the two type of leaf venation, two kind of venation. First is reticulate venation. Second one is parallel venation. So in reticulate venation, when the veins from a network on both the sides of midrib of a leaf is reticulate venation. As you can see, when the veins, these are the veins, when the veins from the network on both the sides, as you can see, it goes to both the sides. These veins goes to both of the sides is reticulate venation. For example, the leaves of people or lemon is the example of reticulate venation. Next is parallel venation. In a parallel venation, when the vein of the leaf, these are the veins, the vein of the leaf runs parallel to one another. As you can easily see in this picture, the vein of a leaf runs parallel to each other, that is parallel venation. For example, the leaves of the grass, the leaves of banana shows the parallel venation. Okay. Next is homework of lecture number 2. So the first question is, what is the primary function of the stem? You have to write down the primary function of the stem. Second question is, which of the following is not a tree? Neem, wheat, mango or coconut. Okay, you have to tell which of the following is not a tree. Okay. Third question is, draw the neat and well labeled diagram of parts of the leaf and the parts of the stem. You have to make the diagram of the parts of the leaf and the parts of the stem. So this is it about this today's lecture. Hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.